Hello everyone, I'm Claire from Crafty Claire Tutorials, and if you are new to my channel, it's lovely to have you here. I do jewellery tutorials for complete jewellery beginners. I do other craft projects, and I do share days out, things like that. So it's a bit of a vloggy channel as well. But if you are new, it's lovely to have you here. So to you and to all my amazing current subscribers, I do hope you're doing well. Let me know how you are in the comments below, because I do like to know how you're doing. Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Thank you for your messages yesterday concerning my family member. It's really kind of you. She's okay. I went up to see her last night. She does have children, so I took some goodie bags up, and I had 2 hours of solid cat time. So I've got all my stroking done, all my stroking's been done. I really do miss my cats. 2 hours of cat time. This cat would not leave my lap. Thank you so much for your orders. I'm just going to show you an order, not for any particular reason, just need to get some videos out for this algorithm. Even if only one person watches it, it's absolutely fine. I just want to get a video out. Today is a amethyst. I've got my amethyst point today. It's an amethyst point kind of day. Ooh, I'm having a hot flush. Oh, dreading the summer. I'm just going to show you this lady's order. I'm not sure if she's on YouTube. This is her second order. I don't have a name, just initials, but if you are watching this, thank you so much for your order. I just want to say, if you are going back, watching my playlist to help me get my watch hours up, thank you. I love you all. I'm not sure what today's tally is, I haven't looked. And Shopify, thank you for being so patient with Shopify. For those of you wanting to open a store, I'm going to see if I can get around to doing that tonight. It's just been really busy, but there's an affiliate link down below. So let me show you this customer order. Yesterday we had the dogs barking. Today my neighbour's cutting the grass. You may hear a lawnmower. So let's show you what we've got. We've got some, and these are called Peach. They're glass. These are 8mm glass pearl beads, and they are peach puff. It's a lovely colour. These are also a lovely colour. Those coral. They're beautiful. I got these not that long ago. I think I showed these to you. Just have a look. Yeah, these are slate blue. Nice blue. Almost like a petrol blue. Oh, these I have to actually do on here. Yeah. What I do with these, let me just get my pliers. Pliers. What I do on here is I have these, and then I've got these that I make into pendants by drilling a small hole. And you can either buy them with the gold or silver pins. So this one, these are for the silver, so I need to carry on putting these in. There we go. I just need to attach these, and it's great, and they're very easy to remove if you want to. So they're very easy to remove if you want to change them to gold. See, quite a lot of you are having a go at resin. I would love to see what you do. So you've got my email address. My email address is below, or just share on my Instagram. Pop that one over there. So these are the I think there's, yeah. So we've got 4 glitter resin heart pendants. We have, these are already done in silver. So we've got 9 of these. These are like a tropical colour. I do hope you're having a lovely day today. The sun is shining here in Bristol. These are your Filmo clay beads, star beads. Oh, get them back in. I've got to go to the post office. I've got to go to Parcel Force, and then I have to go shopping. My fridge looks very bare. My fridge is looking ever so bare. These are beautiful. Very pretty. I don't know if the light will catch them. What I've done, I've just added some jump rings, because sometimes these can come a bit loose. I'm not saying these will, but I just wanted, you know, it wouldn't be very nice if you got them and they become loose. And I've just put some jump rings anyway, even if they're needed, even if they're just used to attach a necklace chain or something. So that was those. What else? Oh, we have oh, jump ring. Let me just put that back in. And then we've got some wing pendants. These are very popular for memorial jewellery. We've got the little heart. They've got the little heart. They've got the little heart. The dangly heart. So there's 4 of those. These are what I found. I forgot I had these, and these are available. These are light blue. These are teardrop pendants, very pretty. And I've got these in, I've got royal blue, a mid blue, and somewhere I do have red. I've yet to come across them. I'm just coming across lots of odds and ends, and I'm just putting onto the website. Again, the website is all linked below for you. And I popped in as a thank you, just like I'm wearing today. We've got an amethyst pendant. So that was just that order, so I'm just going to go and pack it up and put some bubble wrap. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like my videos, please like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I've got playlists on packing customer orders. Let's see what it's like living in the UK. I have videos on days out. So there's a little bit of something for everyone. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.